In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to check your laptop or desktop display for dead pixels and internal spots. It's a simple process, but knowing how to do it properly can help you assess the condition of your screen and even determine if you need repairs or a replacement. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your laptop or desktop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, whichever you're comfortable with. Next, navigate to google.com. Google's search engine is incredibly powerful and can help you find exactly the type of tests you need for your display. In the search bar, type in "How to check laptop or desktop display" or "Monitor for dead pixel and internal spot." This long phrase ensures that Google understands you're looking for comprehensive guides or tools, not just basic information. After you've entered your search, press Enter. Within seconds, you'll see a variety of results. Usually, the top links will include guides and tools made specifically to help you check your screen for any pixel-related issues. These might be written articles, instructional videos, or even handy online tools that display test patterns. Take a minute to review the results on the first page. Look for resources that come from reputable websites or recognized tech forums. If you see a site that offers a dead pixel online checker, that's a great place to start. These tools are usually safe to use and don't require you to download anything. Just click on a link to a dead pixel testing tool. Once the web page opens, follow any on-screen directions to launch the test. Most dead pixel testers will display your screen in solid colors: red, green, blue, black, and white. The idea here is to expose any tiny flaws on your display that might not be otherwise visible during regular use. All you have to do is carefully look at your screen as each color appears. If there are any dead pixels, you'll notice tiny dots that stay the same color or stay dark, even when the screen should be uniformly lit. Similarly, if you see any cloudy spots, discoloration, or faint marks, these could be internal spots caused by pressure damage or other issues. While you're performing the check, it's a good idea to wipe your display gently with a soft, clean microfiber cloth first. Sometimes what looks like a defect turns out to be just a bit of dust or a smudge. Ensuring your screen is clean will help you get accurate results. Once you've finished using online tools and checking all the colors, you should have a clear idea of your display's condition. If dead pixels or internal spots show up, note down exactly where they are on the screen. This information can be helpful if you're considering warranty repairs or talking to technical support. That's it. Using Google and a few online resources, you can easily check your laptop or desktop display for dead pixels or internal spots. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your devices in top shape.